If you have a pending personal injury case, who is handling your personal injury case is so important. I recently met with a new client who had initially hired a very well-known large personal injury law firm after their accident, and they were unhappy. They had never had an accident before, and they didn't know what to expect or what the normal practice was when dealing with a law firm. It had been about 4 months since their car accident, and they had never spoken to their actual lawyer once. They had met only with an investigator who came to their house. After that, they only spoke to secretaries. They had no idea who their lawyer was and what was going on with their case, and they were very frustrated. They wanted me to take over their case from their current law firm, and I did so promptly. Lucky for them, they made the decision to switch lawyers, and here's why. When I contacted the other large, well-known personal injury law firm, I asked to speak to the lawyer who was handling my client's case. To my surprise, I was advised that, quote, no lawyer had been assigned to the case yet, and that only a case manager was in charge of my client's file. How could this be? My client hired a law firm expecting to be properly represented by a lawyer. But for 4 months, no lawyer had even been assigned. A case manager, a non-lawyer, and secretaries were representing my client, and nothing was being done on his case. A waste of 4 months, and 4 months of my client being in the dark about everything. This is not why my client had hired the well-known law firm, and not what he expected. Unfortunately, this seems to be becoming more of the norm in some personal injury law firms. If you feel this may be happening in your pending personal injury case, or just have an uncomfortable feeling about what's going on in your case, call me today for an honest conversation. All of my clients have my cell number, and they know who's handling their case because it's me. Let me put my 35 years of experience and personal attention to work for you. Keep it safe out there.